This is what my Sunday looks like right now. Medic 2 now arriving. Engine 11 left the scene. Engine 14. Sailsbury Township Police on scene. Paramedic units just arriving. Mile markers are set up. Doesn't look like a rear end incident. It's like a motorcycle accident too. Ambulances are on scene at this time. Road is detoured. Medic 2 arriving. Like I said, Engine 14, Medic 2, units on scene. Road is motorcycle accident. Engine 11 went right back to the station, Dad. The ambulance right there, that was Medic 2, just arrived. I mean, I would like to go down there and get a little closer, but I can't.
Why can't you? Go ahead.
All right.
Huh? How will I go down?
What, go down to the accident?
I mean, not across the street, just right down there. I mean, you go down. I mean, not across the street, just stay right here.
No, I know.
Alright, you guys shoot. Oh, you gotta shoot.
Yeah, because I would like to get a closer view. I would, Frank.
Yeah, you see that motorcycle? The thing fell down. Yeah. I wonder what happened to the motorcycle guy.
Yeah, it looks like a motorcycle accident. All right, let's go, Frank. Oh, they're putting the guy in. Yeah, looks like a guy hit. Looks like a guy got hit on his motorcycle, Frank. You hear me, dude?
I don't want to talk to you on your phone.
No, you can.
I don't want my pictures taken.
No, I'm not. No, it's not gonna be like that.
There's a fire truck here.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell everybody that comes down the hill not to go this way because look, road's detoured.
Is the guy out? Is he out of there? Is he truck? I mean, the motorcycle, did he fall down or?
Yeah, motorcycle accident.
Oh, someone hit him, huh?
Yeah, it looks like it.